everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I have a fantastic Italian dinner. It's called Tuscan chicken pasta and it's show 329. And this is going to be a fast meal for like a weeknight. You've been working all day, you come home, you want to make something and you want a good meal, but it calls for a few things that if you use it this way, it'll go faster. Like for example, the bacon. I'm using pre-cooked bacon. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we should do is just go through the ingredients really fast. I have some Parmesan cheese, heavy cream. I have some basil with my brand new basil cutter. We're going to need to open the can of spinach. We have some tomatoes we're going to cut up, salt, pepper, and some oil. I've boiled the pasta water. As soon as it boiled, I put some salt in it. I started the pasta. I let it boil according to the package instructions. Now we move right on to the next thing. So I need to start my gas burner, get my pan warming up. Today I'm going to use pure avocado oil. You can use olive oil, peanut oil, vegetable oil, any oil you want will work for this, and I usually just kind of give it a little bit of a shake like this, try not to drop it on the flame. Then I need to salt and pepper the meat. I'm using pink Himalayan salt and fresh ground black pepper that I'm cracking. Then I like to take a glove, give it a little bit of a rub, turn it over. Same thing again, black pepper. Move this stuff out of the way. Another glove. Where the glove saves you time, you don't have to go wash your hands right away. Turn the fire down to medium. Pitch this. We need to cut up our garlic. So just real carefully here, cut off the ends. And lots of times your paper will come right off. This particular one has some bad spots on it, so unfortunately, now the whole garlic is bad, so we'll just pitch that one. That one looks pretty good. Let's grab some more garlic out of the container. Let's turn these little rascals over. Just like that. Put a splatter guard on there. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are easy. Grab some scissors. Cut them up. Very carefully take the lid off. Like that. It's going to be hot. Let's get these chicken breasts out of here. They splatter a little bit. Then I'm throwing in the bacon. And I'm using a full package. You want 6 or 8 or so pieces of bacon. I'm going to put the lid back on again. You can also use splatter guard like this. The heat just keeps in, makes it cook a little a little bit juicier in the beginning. Now these chicken breasts, we have to let them cool a little bit, and we're going to cut them. By the way, the bacon that I bought, as far as I'm concerned, there's only one brand of bacon in the world. It's Oscar Mayer, and this is just pre-cut bacon. Works great. Grab a knife, and then I just put my stuff off to the side like this, and I did check them with a thermometer to make sure that they were done. That's very important. So let's go ahead and get these cut. And you can order this chicken pre-cut. My bacon is done, chicken is done. Now my cutting board, I just want to hit it with a paper towel real fast, just to kind of clean it up a bit. I hear the ducks talking outside, they must smell the food. Okay, let's get this bacon out of here. Wait till you see this. Well, it's going to be crispy, I'll tell you that. I have to cut it, so it has to be crispy. Can't be soggy or I'm not going to be able to cut it. So I got one which is a little more well done than the other. Now let's get some more things in this pan. Tomatoes, garlic, a little bit, the bottom, spinach, see, what's nice is you don't really have a lot of bacon grease when you use the pre-cooked bacon. A lot of people use pre-cooked bacon on the boat or on the camper. You don't have such a mess. A little bit more garlic in here. Kind of wants to stick to the sides of the container. Going to medium low. Cook it low and slow. Let's let this cook for a little bit. Now I'm going to put in a half a cup of cream, half a cup of water left over from the pasta, some salt, pepper, give it a quick stir. We'll let this heat up for just about a minute. Now let's get our bacon in here. You're not going to want to cut this with a knife. This is so much faster to do it this way with scissors. And you probably could use bacon bits if you wanted, just to speed things up. This is supposed to be like a work night meal, so bacon bits would be perfectly fine. It's just the pre-cooked bacon is so easy because really it's like 3/4 of the way cooked, and you put it on the heat and just finishes the rest. I could have took it off a little sooner, but I was fighting with the chicken. Paper towels, let's turn the heat off. This is done. Give it a stir. Take a look at this. This looks so delicious. So here's our plate, and we are going to grab out of here some pasta for the plate. Just like that. Then we are going to scoop out, and I'm using a perforated so things don't get kind of flooded out. I'm just going to stir for a moment here. And I'm just going to put some of this right in here, right in the center. And then I'm going to grab some of our meat. Put some meat on here. Just like that. Then I'm going to put some more topping on it, just to make it look really cool. Put a little pyramid up on top, because I know this is going to be delicious. Then I need two more things. One is I have parsley that I'm going to put in my fantastic shredder that I just got recently. This is like my garlic cutter. I just love it. If it breaks or something, I gotta buy a new one, because now I just love it. So put that in there. That'll be ready to go. Then grab some cheese. And what's nice about putting the cheese on last is if you have someone in the family that doesn't want cheese or doesn't want a lot, you can wait and put it on at the table. There we go. Don't forget, smell the cheese. Make sure it smells okay. If it smells like ammonia, do not eat it. Remember, this is Parmesan and it's a little strong. So go easy on it. Just like that. Then I put my parsley on it. Just like that. There you go. Wow, does that smell good? Look good? That's pretty exciting. Well, that's the show for the day. I know it didn't take very long, but that's the meal. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.